ikaw yung nasapit ba?
No, ano maluoy mo ka sa iya nga. Walang siya naluoy sa mga tao na ibig sa mga Christians.
Ay di ba at some point na magiging punto yung Panginoon? Tapos hindi man niya deserve na pinagpapit siya kapag ng pagkatay.
Hello, hindi ko mindset ko. I-choose na ko.
Kaila, naman po tayo mga kanya-kanyang opinion o idea sa mga butang. Dili kayo nato i-judge siya sa iyang mga opinion. Dapat po nato i-consider ang iyang idea para mabala nato sa iyang point.
Ano importante man po rin yung internet?
Kailan ba kaniwan nga na ganas?
Emmanuel Levinas was a French philosopher of Lithuanian Jewish ancestry, born in the year 1906. He is known for his work within Jewish philosophy, existentialism, and phenomenology, but he focused on the relationship of ethics to metaphysics and ontology. Levinas was one of the most prominent 20th century philosophers who concentrated particularly in the concepts of otherness, ethics, and responsibility. With this, he believed that philosophy should begin not with abstract thinking about existence, but with ethics, the way we relate to and treat other people. For him, the first and most important task of philosophy is to recognize our responsibility toward others. In short, instead na i-focus nato ang tanan about sa atong self, dapat i-acknowledge nato nga naay other people who are not like us and will never be like us. Therefore, we must treat them with care and respect for being their own self and standing for their values and beliefs.
Now, let's talk about the significance of philosophy. First, he introduced the concept of otherness. Ang other, nagpasabot na laing tao magiging ako. According to Levinas, if we get to know and respect them, mauna ang foundation and sinugdanan sa tinuod ng pagkatao and for us to gain knowledge sa humanity. Second, he highlighted what he calls radical responsibility. True humanity arises when we accept that we have infinite responsibility for others. Unsa na ang responsibility? Example kay moral responsibility. If makita tag tao nga need of help, obligated ta na magtabang sa ila. Or if we see a teacher sa lobby, we must respect them by them. All this means that true humanity will rise not from self-centeredness but from infinite responsibilities to others. Lastly, he shifted philosophy's focus. Before, philosophy was centered on power and knowledge, but Levinas thought that it should focus on ethics and human relationships.
Emmanuel Levinas was a French philosopher whose work are connected to phenomenology and existentialism. Pero ang branch of philosophy na iyang i-focus kay ethics, especially metaphysics, ontology, and theology. Unlike other philosophers na nauna ang tackle about sa self, si Levinas niingon siya na dapat magsugod ang philosophy sa other. Mao ni iyang giingon na ethics as first philosophy, na ang atong responsibility sa uban dapat unahon kaysa sa atong kaugalingon nga interest. Sa iyang legacy, Levinas emphasized radical responsibility, dili lang ni limited obligation, kundi infinite responsibility para sa uban ug ang future generation. His work remain important today because they guide us understanding and ethical implication of human relationship. I-remind to niya nga mas importante ang respeto pag-atiman sa uban kaysa sa power of control.
So let's move on to the metaphysics part of Emmanuel Levinas' philosophy. First, ethics as first philosophy. Levinas is a leading figure who advocates that ethics should be treated as the foundation of all philosophy. Para niya, dili lang niya usa ka branch of philosophy, kundi maugid ang pinakabasihan sa tanan ng philosophical thought. His works challenge traditional Western philosophy that often focus on the self. Levinas says that before knowledge, freedom, or even existence, we must first think of our responsibility for others.
Second, the existence of the other person or otherness. According to Levinas, aside sa ako, lain-laing tao nga nag-exist o kana mao ang other. This other is not me. Lain hindi siya na ako. Being different from me, I must recognize his otherness. Dili lang ni siya abstract idea, kundi maudyo ang foundation sa iyang ethical system. Ang presence sa other confronts us with an unavoidable demand na ato silang respetuhan, understand their face, we see their vulnerability. The face shows us that this person is different from us and cannot be ignored. This encounter is very important because it demands respect, care, and responsibility. Orbital limon ang face every person na do not harm me, instead take care of me and understand me. This moment teaches us to put the needs of others before our own. Levinas even said that we cannot truly know how to love ourselves because we never know what is enough for us. Instead, we discover self-loving through loving others first. That's why for him, responsibility is not merely for ourselves, but always to and for the other. And by caring for others, we also discover how to value ourselves.
Next is ontology. Emmanuel Levinas developed his ontology as a response to Heidegger's being and time. Instead of focusing only on abstract beings, Levinas framed transcendence to human experience, like enjoyment, shame, and emotion. Iyang giingon na transcendence can be observed through what we feel, kalipay, kaulaw, kalipong. This means that people are not limited to oneself, but there is a chance that people will think outside the box. Gingon po niya ang tao ay na-dualism. Permita na sa tunga sa maayo o sa di-maayo. This shift may transcendence both sensual and temporal. Meaning, konektado siya sa senses o sa panahon. One clear example would be fecundity or the promise of future generations.
Let's now head on to theology. According to Emmanuel Levinas, God is transcendent kung dinig nato siya masabtan fully. We encounter God not directly, but through our responsibility and kindness toward other people. Gitawag ni Levinas nga si God ug ang ubang tao mao ang absolute other. Ang other nga dili nato makontrol ug dili nato maibaw ang tanan. Mao nga ang atong duty is ang pagrespeto ug pagvalue sa other people because they have dignity and history. Levinas also explained that hermeneutics or interpretation should start with ethics. Pasabot, real understanding happens kung magputanaw ta sa uban with respect and responsibility. Kung ato ning buhaton ang ato interpretation of understanding, mahimong mas meaningful because this brings moral responsibility para sa uban. Sa simple nga pagkasulti, ang theology ni Levinas nagtanaw nga makita nato ang Ginoo pinaagi sa atong mga pag-atiman ug paglag sa ubang tawo.
So to summarize, Emmanuel Levinas is a French philosopher who focused on ethics, metaphysics, ontology, and theology. He placed ethics as first philosophy, meaning responsibility for others comes before self-interest. He introduced otherness